performing at aerial events and special events across the country each and every year. Splendid Sunday morning. We've got a great show to come. We're glad you're here.
Hurry up! It will blow!
Probably not going to be able to see. Oh, he's just going to make it hard. That's what he's doing.
No.
Yeah, he's making it hard.
It's terrible hard. I
It's
just
because it's blowing so hard.
the heart is. Oh my god! And the smelly there is gone. I think he's gonna make it again.
That's pretty awesome.
I know, isn't that? Oh, it's flowers today.
Putting an arrow through it.
Oh my god. What is that? Why did this go? What is it making? Like a broken heart. What is that?
See how it spreads out?
This one is
Oh, it's double hard.
oh, okay. Hurry up, it's blowing away. Where is he? Oh my god. Yeah, he's there. I see him. See? On the top. Oh my god. It's a broken heart. It's a broken heart, honey. That's not a double heart. I know. It's gonna make flowers now. Maybe. But it's really windy, honey. I don't know.
And at that point, we will be turning the airfield over to the United States Air Force Thunderbirds with their 6 F-16s. That's our running order as we are in for nothing less than a world-class air show, and we are so thrilled to bring it all to you. In the meantime, we hope you're staying comfortable, staying hydrated, keeping that sunscreen going throughout the day as well. We are going to have a great time. We're counting down the minutes to our official start, coming up in T-minus 13 minutes and counting.
a video bomber. This is a video bomber. Oh, look again. I think it's a big heart. I don't know. They're really big.
That's huge.
Oh, this is there.
Oh, look. There's two.
We have two.
That's Pac-Man.
Oh my god, it's
He just
connected
made
here.
some dots that he needs.
T1, stand by.
It's done. He's just drawing a big circle. And this one also is around. I don't know
Oh,
what.
that's a ghost.
A ghost? Hurry up! You got to get go there. I think this is a big. I don't know what he's making that one.
That guy, he's going to go on the bottom and make zigzags across the bottom. It's a ghost. It's from Pac-Man. It's a ghost from Pac-Man. See?
Oh, he's making. I don't know what he's making.
Well,
Oh my god, it's like.
because it moves. Well, just a ghost. You made zigzag bottom on it. It's the ghost from Pac-Man.
Oh, it's a big smiley face then.
That's the smiling face.
Oh my god, look at it. It's weird.
It's because the stuff flew around on it. Look, the eyes of the ghost.
Oh my god.
Oh, you put the nose.
That's not.
Put a nose. Did you take a picture of Pac-Man?
No, I took a video, not.
The Thunder over the Heartland 2024, Rob Holland and the incredible MXS
He'll
RH.
come right over the top of it.
230 miles an hour, screaming into the box. The world's getting heavy right about now as he goes nose for tail, tail for nose, in a Rob Holland signature maneuver he calls the inside tumble. Rob's from Nashua, New Hampshire. He's the 2012 recipient of the Art Schull Memorial Showmanship Award. He has won countless regional, national, and world competitions and is the only guy who has won 14 times straight in national competition.
Oh my
He's on his
God.
6th world win, and simply put, Rob Holland is nothing less than superb. Let's watch him now on the 45-degree upline with a series of point rolls and full deflection rolls to the right. We watch him now with an outside snap and a half as he puts the aircraft into the vertical upline, pushing the airplane over nose for tail all the way around in a forward somersault, getting fully in tune with his aerobatic machine. Ladies and gentlemen of Topeka, let's make some noise for Rob Holland. The smoke exploding through the sky as he hurls this MXS across the ground like a broken toy. Though with incredible precision, that's the mark of Rob Holland. We're gonna watch him now to the right as he goes through a series of spins on the wing back down as he brings himself to the center of our aerobatic airspace. As he continues with this warm-up performance for us today, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about Rob Holland. He's been flying. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghost Rider Air Shows is proud to present Nathan Hammond and the de Havilland Super Chipmunk. An experienced aviator and aerobatic performer, Nathan has amassed more than 8,000 total hours of flight time in more than 50 different kinds of aircraft. Today, he proudly serves as one of the world's last remaining professional skyriders, performing aerial events across North America both day and night. Flying this 1956 de Havilland DMC-1, designed originally as a trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force, we're in for a display of low-level aerobatics in this classic air show airplane.
Aviation has been part of Nathan's life ever since he was a young child, growing up in an aviation family. With experience flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets, his absolute favorite type of flying is what you're seeing now. Let's watch out in front of us as Nathan continues and flies the Ghost Rider into the vertical for his next maneuver. As a skyrider and international airshow performer, Nathan stays busy traveling across the continent, performing at everything from air shows to music festivals. Utilizing his onboard smoke system made by injecting a lightweight oil into the exhaust, each of his skywriting messages can stretch more than 10 miles wide at an altitude of more than 15,000 feet. It is from this altitude where it can be difficult to spot Nathan's airplane from the ground, but the messages high above give it the worthy name of the Ghost Rider. This Super Chipmunk has been highly modified into the air show airplane we see today. It features a custom-built 350 horsepower motor, an advanced composite propeller, shortened wings, and a streamlined canopy, turning this airplane into a lean, mean air show machine.